Hi little readers, welcome back to another Digraph Day. To start everything off, let's do our Digraph Rap. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. So digraphs are 2 letters, 1 sound. And our digraph in this lesson is O and I. O and I. Do they say O-I? Almost. Together they make the sound oi. Oi. And the action that goes with it is oi. Oi. It's like calling a ship. Oi. There you go. Shall we sing the song? Okay, ready?
The sailors met upon the sea. Oi, 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 oi. They found some oil way down deep. Oi, oi, ship ahoy.
So our digraph O can usually be found in the middle of a word, but sometimes it can be found at the beginning of a word. So let's look at some oi words, okay? As usual, I'm going to do the actions and sound the words out with you, but try to read it before the words come out. Ready? Okay, first word is oi, oh, oi, oh, oil, oil, k, oi, again, k, oi, what is it? It's coin, coin. Next is d, oi, again, d, oi, join, join. Next is b, oi, oh, again, b, oi, oh, boil, boil. And one more is s, oi and o. Again, s, oi and o. What is it? Soil. Very good. You're brilliant. Now, it's time for some solo work. As always, you do the work this time. I just do the actions with the help of the sound dots. You sound out the letters and then read the word. Okay? Ready? Okay, first is P. Did you get it? Point. Point. Next is, so we have longer words this time. Ready? Okay. T. Ooh, that's a mouthful. Again. Were you able to get it? Toilet. Toilet. Next is spoil. Spoil. Another one. Oh. Again. Oi. Oh. foil. Foil. And last word for the day is long. Okay? Foil. Again. What is it? Another mouthful. It's poison. Poison. There you go. You know the song, you know the action, you can read the words by yourself. Well done. Good job. Getting better. So, as usual, I will see you in the next digraph. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch the next digraph. Rap and sing with me. Bye.